Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can fix your install unknown apps in your Realme smartphone. So how you can disable this feature. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your Play Store and you have to go to the settings. Then friends, in network preference you have to turn off auto update, so it will not auto update any of your app or not download any app over your Wi-Fi or mobile data. So here you can just do these update availables and updates complete notify. You have to enable this also. Then simply press back. You have to go to the your Chrome and this browsing. Some of the website have permission to download automatically application APK application. So you have to go to the apps, click on app management, and here you have to write Google like this. And then friends, you have to just click on data usage, turn off background data, and then click on storage, clear cache this and clear data. So this will remove all your data from the website, so it will not download automatically unknown apps in your smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.